A worker loses balance while standing on a rotating machine. Rotating surfaces may look stable, but even the slightest movement can throw a person off instantly. This is why workers must never climb or stand on rotating equipment. A worker gets too close to a cement mixer-like machine and falls inside. These machines must always have protective barriers, and workers must maintain a safe distance. Approaching the opening of such equipment without safety measures can turn routine work into a fatal mistake. A worker touches a power line with a metal object and is electrocuted instantly. Electricity is invisible, silent, and unforgiving. A single mistake can be fatal. Metal tools and ladders conduct electricity, can be dangerous for electric workers. A worker places his foot directly into a rotating machine and is pulled inside. Rotating machines are unforgiving. They do not stop once they catch clothing, a hand, or even a foot. That is why guarding, lockout procedures, and strict distance rules are critical to prevent these accidents. A worker is welding on top of a metal barrel when the support beneath him ignites and explodes. Welding near closed or pressurized containers is one of the most dangerous practices in industry. Even small sparks can ignite hidden gases or residues inside the container. That is why welding must only be done on cleared, ventilated, and certified safe surfaces. A worker climbs onto the conveyor belt and suddenly gets caught, trapping his foot. Conveyors may look harmless, but their moving parts can crush and entangle in seconds. Workers should never ride or step on conveyor belts. They are designed for materials, not people.